Hey guys, it's me Jessica from Domicile 37 coming to you guys with a new year, new room update. I'm a day late, but I'm always here, and beside me is my surprise element that was supposed to be up on my ceiling by now. However, it's not. It is from Mind the Gap. It is very much of a Jessica-esque type wallpaper, and I really wanted to use it. However, gravity was working against me and it would not adhere to the ceiling. I stupidly thought that since my ceilings weren't heavily textured or as textured as my walls, that it would stick. Yeah, I was wrong. I was wrong to any of that. So I decided to pivot. And if there's one thing that I can do is pivot. And I know that what I'm about to say and what I'm about to show you guys is not everyone's cup of tea. It works for me. It works for me. I feel like I'm pretty satisfied. I decided to paint the ceiling, and I had to think, Jessica, why do you like this wallpaper? Why are you attracted to this wallpaper? What is it about this wallpaper that you like? And even though I love the pattern because it's very much of me, I bought the wallpaper because of the colors. It looks blue, it looks black, however, it is different shades of green. And so I color matched the wallpaper using my Fair and Ball samples, and then I went and had my Fair and Ball samples color matched at my local hardware store. And I did a sponge effect on my ceiling using, I think, 4 different paint colors, and I needed some depth. That's why the different colors were there, and yeah, I think it looks good. And once the lights are in, I can reassess what I did. Hopefully I don't paint over it. I had to paint basically in the dark. I had a small itty bitty lamp, and that was it. So I'm hoping it all works out. Yeah. Yeah, so hopefully next week I'll be done with this closet. The reveal is supposed to be next week, but if it's not done, just know I'll be back with another progress report. So yeah, thank you for coming along, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.